Alison from Happy Soul. I would like to share with you the importance of doing a quick EFT tapping round. This is really helpful when you are overwhelmed, when you're anxious, or you're feeling angry, frustrated, really sad, and you've completely forgotten how to do tapping, but you do know how you feel. So all we're simply going to do is tap starting at the top of the head. You're already tuned in, remember, so it's not necessary always to do the side of the hand. And you may only have 1 or 2 minutes. So let's have a go at doing it together now. So find a target that you may be feeling right now, some kind of discomfort, maybe frustrated, angry, sad, feeling guilty or shameful. So let's go to the top of the head and assume that you're feeling a bit anxious. So we're literally going to name what that emotion is, what our target is, and we can include where it is in the body. So we're going to begin tapping the top of the head. All this anxiety, eyebrow point, all this anxiety, temples, all this anxiety, under the eye, all this anxiety, under the nose, all this anxiety, chin, this anxiety, collarbone, this anxiety in my chest or wherever it is for you, under the arm, this anxiety and the ribs, this anxiety. Take a nice breath in, relax, let go. We're just going to keep going. Top of the head, this anxiety, eyebrow, this anxiety, side of the eye, this anxiety in my stomach because it may have moved, under the eye, this anxiety in my stomach, chin, this anxiety I'm feeling, collarbone, all this anxiety in my body, under the arm, this anxiety I feel, tapping the ribs and it's underneath the nipple here, this anxiety, big breath again, relax, let go. You can just keep repeating that round from the top of the head to the ribs. If you have a bit more time, it's good to introduce a positive reframe because sometimes we only have a few minutes and it's good to introduce a concept of feeling calm. So we'll go back to the top of the head, and I like to use 2 hands when I'm particularly overwhelmed or stressed, but you can use 1 hand or the other, left or right, it doesn't matter. So we'll go back to the top of the head, tapping gently approximately 7 times. This remaining anxiety, eyebrow, I choose to let it go. Side of the eye, this remaining anxiety, under the eye, I choose to feel safe now. Under the nose, this remaining anxiety, chin, I'm doing okay. Collarbone, this remaining anxiety, under the arm, I choose to feel safe and secure. The ribs, this remaining anxiety, I choose to let it go now. Good, big breath in and let it go. And notice how you're feeling. That was literally 2 or 3 minutes, and that's all you may have. So I invite you to do the quick taps as often as you can when you're in that moment of anxiety, overwhelm, you suddenly feel very sad or angry or frustrated. Why not just go for the quick tap, starting the top of the head, all the way around, finishing up at the ribs. And if you've got time, introduce a few positive reframes about how you'd like to feel. I choose to feel calm, I'm at peace, I'm okay, I'm safe. And notice how that is. Notice how it affects your day when you know you don't have to always remember what to say on the setup statement because you're maybe new to tapping or you simply just haven't got the time. I invite you to do more tapping in action, the quick tap, throughout your day when you're feeling that disturbance. So you can start releasing all the turbulence from this bucket. And this bucket is emotions, it's limiting beliefs, it's physical ailments, it's events in your life. And with methodical tapping and doing it regularly and persistently, you can start to feel much better on a day-to-day basis. So thank you for listening to me today. Please leave your comments below at how this may be helping you. You can also contact me if you'd like to work more deeply in a coaching session. or if you'd like to learn more about EFT, you can find all the information on my website on the link below. Have a great day. Bye.